Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we are going to talk more about cout, how to display proper messages, and let's get started. So earlier we write cout between double quotation hello world uh, as a first program in C++. Now let's write another program. Let's say cout hello. My name is Hassan, for example, and let's check the output. It's hello, my name is Hassan. Let's divide this output into two couts. We will see. Now let's run the program. We will actually see that the output is displayed on the same line, not on different line, even if we use different cout. So in order to go for new line in C++, we have to use either and L or slash n. So let's rewrite the program. So hello and L. Now we write cout. My name is Hassan. And as we can see at the end of each statement, we add a semicolon. Now let's compile and run. We will see now hello, my name is Hassan on different lines. So and L is used to end the line or this line and go to new line, which means hello will be printed on the line and my name is Hassan will be printed on another line. Another way to go for new line is using slash n, using slash n between the double quotation. So here hello we add slash n, for example, and let's compile and run. So as we can see, hello, my name is Hassan is printed on different line. Another way to do it also, let's use slash n with one cout. So hello slash n, my name is Hassan. So here we are using one cout. However, we did add slash n after hello, which means after hello, go to new line. My name is Hassan. So let's check the output together. Here we go. So same outputs. So as a summary, and L is used to break for new line, and also slash n if we are printing text. We can use it also to go for new line between double quotation. It has to be between double quotation. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me at any time. Thank you so much for watching.